support this, or locally known as Kalaw. Yes, Kalaw. Well, feedback teaching singing sound of speech is called CAS. It acts like a vibrating speaker to make your voices louder, and the hornbills are quite chubby. Your voice range from deep booming sound to range like a banty, fruits, yellows, and apples. And I know it's a little hard to see, but take a look. Hornbills have eyelashes. See that? Hornbills have that. It makes them very cute and sexy. And finally here is a combination of fruits, insects, and small animals. So their beak is quite handy. They can flap fruits from peanuts by our fingers. And finally we'll show you how. Okay, I have banana, papaya, and grape. Finger just one of favorite. Banana, I know this one. Oh, see, grape. Ganun. And just pick it up and point it back will be there just like this. Oh, there we go. One more. Oh, you ready? One more. Oi, ready, oi? Ayun ya. Okay, this time I need 3 kids. Sure? 1, 2, last one. Okay, okay na po, ilap na po. Meron tayo dito. Okay, si ate. Kuya.